Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn off or restart OnePlus 15R using two simple methods. Let's get started. The first method uses the physical buttons on your phone. Press the power button and volume up button together. This will bring up the power menu. Slide upwards to restart. Slide downwards to power off. Choose the option you want and that's it. This second method lets you change what the power button does. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility and Convenience. Now scroll to the bottom and tap Power button. Select Press and hold the power button. By default, this is set to Digital Assistant. Change it to Power menu. From now on, simply long pressing the power button will directly open the power menu, making it easier to restart or power off your phone. That's it. This is how you can turn off or restart OnePlus 15R. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more OnePlus tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.